when you get it from in a can, you can get it fresh. If you live somewhere near the coast, go ahead and get it fresh. If you don't, if you live up in the mountains like me, in the middle of New Mexico, which is a desert, then you probably can't get really good fresh crab meat. Even if you go to the grocery store and ask for fresh crab meat, it's probably been frozen anyway and then just thawed out in their cabinet. So if I want to show you though, when you get it, see how it's all drippy here? You don't want any of this liquid. Now, as opposed to, say, making a clam chowder where you want to save all that liquid, in this case, you don't want the liquid. You want the crab meat to be fairly dried out, not too dry, but I'm sitting here just draining all this liquid out. Sometimes you can even press the can after you cut the can open. You can kind of squeeze the can a little bit, squeeze the top into the rest of it, and it'll help squeeze some of that water out. Here we go. All right, so now I'm going to just let that sit for a minute. Now notice also the crab meat comes in a nice little paper thing. You never see that with tuna fish. I don't know why. But with crab meat, they stick in this little thing because they know that you want to absorb some of that moisture anyway.